Hey friends, what's happening? This is Carlton Lewis coming to you live and direct from Powder Springs, Georgia, which is northwest of Atlanta and West Cobb. And today we are going to preview this beautiful home. This model is called the Grandin by Fischer Homes. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's sitting on an unfinished basement. Now, this community is in its final phase. So if you are looking to get a home in this community, then you definitely need to reach out to me soon. They will be building more homes, but if you're interested in this one, definitely reach out to me. All right, I'm going to put my contact information up at the top, as I always do, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment just in case you have a question, or if you have any questions or comments or whatever, concerns, something that you want to see extra, let me know. And definitely hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm going to give you some specs about this house, some features in the next part of this video, and then we're going to go in and tour it. All right, stay tuned. Let's hit to the next thing. This gorgeous new construction home in the Springbrook Estates subdivision is the Grandin floor plan offered by Fischer Homes. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story, single-family home with plenty of designer finishes. It sits on a full unfinished basement and has plenty of living space, starting at just over 2,700 square feet. You can choose from a wide variety of home designs, including open kitchens, guest suites, soaring 2-story great rooms, 5-level plans, and so much more. Community amenities, including a clubhouse, sparkling swimming pool with lap lanes, lighted tennis courts, and children's playground. Enjoy several nearby recreational areas just minutes away, including Silver Comet Trail, Wild Horse Creek Park, Seven Springs Water Park, West Cobb Aquatic Center, and Dogwood Golf Course. Quick access to all of Atlanta via Thornton Road and I-20, as well as a short drive to Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Springbrook Estates is located in Powder Springs, Georgia, in the Cobb County School District. Local schools include Powder Springs Elementary, Cooper Middle, and McEachern High School. I'm really excited to show you this beautiful home. Let's start your tour. All right, we're back. What do you think about this beautiful home by Fischer Homes, Springbrook Estates? This is the Grandin floor plan right here. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath on an unfinished basement, so it can be customized nice for a man cave, in-law suite, whatever you want to do with it. All right, so like I said, I hope you got some value out of this video. Make sure you reach out to me. My contact information is here, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and definitely leave a comment on the comment section below. Leave any questions that you have, and I'll definitely answer all the comments and questions. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll see the next time I put out a new video. Once again, this has been Carlton Lewis signing out from Powder Springs, Georgia, your Atlanta real estate agent. Peace.